expecting to learn more today about how much a COVID-19 vaccine will cost most Albertans in the fall. Yesterday, the Premier doubling down on a policy that will mean that it's not free for everyone. Albertans who want a COVID shot for free will have to travel to other provinces. CTV's Hogg is here with the latest. So, Connor, let's start with this. Who is eligible for a free shot in Alberta this fall?
Well, Kent, healthcare workers, people with underlying health conditions, those on social programs, and seniors in communal settings will be able to get the shot for free. All other Albertans will have to pay. Premier Danielle Smith has made it clear that there will be no other adjustments to the province's policy this fall. At a press conference yesterday, Smith said the province's policy is a cost-saving measure and that Alberta's stance is a reaction to the federal government no longer covering the cost. The Premier says healthcare workers were given a cost exemption because of requests from their unions wanting extra protection for those who work closely with sick people. The Premier says fewer and fewer people are choosing to get a COVID vaccine each year. Smith was asked why the province pivoted to the reserve and pay method instead of only requiring people to reserve their shot ahead of time.
Well, we'll try it this way. This year we are trying to mitigate costs because it is an expensive intervention. We don't pay for every vaccine. The shingles vaccine, for instance, we don't pay for. The RSV shot, we only just started paying for it for those over age 75. That's a $300 shot. When people go traveling and need a yellow fever shot, they pay for that themselves. So we don't pay 100% of the cost of every vaccine. So we're just trying to align our approach on COVID with the same approach that we're taking on RSV.
Albertans can get the shot for free, just not here. The BC's Ministry of Health is confirming that any Canadian will be eligible to get a free shot at public clinics in BC. The ministry says that priority will go to people who live in BC, and Albertans should be prepared to wait for several weeks for an appointment. You'll need ID showing that you are a Canadian and the personal number on your Alberta healthcare card. And Danielle Smith says that COVID shots won't be available in Alberta until October, and that so far, over 100,000 people have pre-ordered their dose. Kent?